The purpose of the potentizing program is to be able to set up several remedies that you would use over and over, and that way you don't have to type them in over and over. You can just do it one time and then call up that program. So to make a potentizing program, you go to Analysis, New Potentizing Program, and select yourself as the operator. And then as a client, I've created a potentizing program client so that I don't have to have a photo or anything like that, and it's just going to be for the particular program that I'm going to make. So this one would be a homeopathic combo. And I'm going to then add my potencies. Now, of course, you already have to have your potentized substances in your database from creating your own potencies, which you've probably already done in the previous video on how to do potentizing. So let's say I wanted to add chlorella 8X for my first one, and then I want to add, let's say, wild oat, and of course these are your timings over here of what you've set up previously. And let's say I also wanted to add some rock rose. And you can add more of them if you want. And if you want to rearrange them, let's say I want to put rock rose first, then I'll move this one up, and then I save it, and it's going to be called the homeopathic combo. So now when I want to make a potency, I just go to Balancing, and I'm going to run a potentized program, one that I've already made. So I have to check for my client that I made, my potentizing programs, and there's my homeopathic combo. So I click Run Potentize, and it brings up my window, and it's going to do one after the other, just like a normal program, but it's going to be potentizing instead of just running the program. So I put my vial on the rub plate, and I set my balancing at 100%. And if you're going to be using a cable, you would say balance with light, or if you want to pulse it into, like, say, a hologram, then you do balance with pulse. I'm going to just do a normal balancing because I'm just going to set my bottle on my stick plate, and then I click Start. And now it's going to potentize each one of the remedies. It's doing rock rose first for 12x for 12 seconds, and then it gives you your seconds remaining. And then it's going to go right to the chlorella. That's a 10-second potentization. And lastly, it will go to the wild oat. And that's all there is to it. When you're finished, you can close, and you're on to your next project.